Hi all, I'd like to show you an update to the Analysis Board at chessworld.net. I have my setting as freestyle and drag and drop here, and so I can try out moves like Queen G3. I might want to play F5 after an F6, and I can explore different variations. I can click start here and try a different move. Usually I'm a bit too quick on my own moves though. That's why my rating could be a lot higher than it is, by the way. But anyway, I'm happy to be playing many of you on YouTube on the site, so that's great fun. So anyway, bishop d2 here, I could examine this, but the new feature is basically you can pick up an arrow tool now and say I can actually just visualize with arrows without even moving any pieces. Say Queen G3, F5, and I might want to play F6 after. The bishop could go back, and you can almost like visualize a few ideas without even moving any pieces, and pick up different arrows as well if you wanted to, for either side. And you can undo the last graphic actually if you wanted to undo the last graphics. So I wanted to undo the green ones and pick up a highlight tool. So maybe I'm highlighting F6 as a key square. I might prefer green there, and the bishop would retreat here. And I could look at some maybe king safety issues, soft spots in the position to try and undermine later. So how would I do that? Well, maybe I'd play, I pick up the arrow tool, maybe H4, H5. I can undo that if I'm about to start an arrow and it's wrong. I can click undo. So I want to go from there and then maybe take here. And you can get an idea that I could undermine like the pawn triangle here. And if I wanted to, I could now pick up a snipping tool or do Alt print screen, and put this, if I do Alt print screen, I can pick up and put that whole screen into Control V and do view zoom out, and I could get it into Paint, and I could do select and crop it, and then paste that into a Quora answer or a Twitter post or an Instagram post. So yeah, it's a lot of fun to have this graphical, what's going on in a position. And the arrows though are cleared when you click move pieces or clear. So if I want to go back to my analysis, you can see that the arrows are cleared. So if you did want to record the arrows, you can take a screenshot, or you might even be recording a video locally, even from the start of the game. You might want to, maybe the game's finished, or you could go to the generic analysis board and visually annotate a game, and you might want to share it on a YouTube video. So yeah, there's these graphical tools which could be useful for your social media. So Quora, Instagram, Twitter, just sharing some stuff instructionally for a website or a blog. So I'm hoping it'll be useful for especially the content sharers of chess, these new graphic tools. So I hope you have fun with it. Please let me know what you think. Okay, thanks very much.